Hello guys, this is Dominic, and today I show you a new factory. Another new factory is doing this kind of machine for almost 20 years. The semi-automatic capsule fitting machine. You see the back, my back. You can see that all the semi-automatic capsule filling machine. You can fill in from the 00 to 5 size for different size. All kinds of the capsule, you can fill that with the powder very easily, and they're doing this kind of machine for long time, about 20 years. And you can see you can operate with that with the standard button, or you can use that with the Siemens touch screen. But you know the principle is all the same. You need a vacuum pump. You see that spare part? It's ready. This machine is ready for ship. You see that? You can see the semi-automatic capsule filling machine, and these two parts, all the control. This control the speed adjusting, speed adjuster. This is a screw, and this capsule throwing adjuster. All of this, even you can see the back one. The back one have the Siemens touch screen. You see, the touch screen is more easy for operate, and it's also stable. See, you see this factory, we can make about 50 pieces every month.啊，这个要记得往回转，这个在哪个位置都没关系的。明白了，明白了。这边是粉，直接是充电。拿到这边。放哪里去？哎，我这是，它这边放到这儿的时候，按一下这个可以了。对。看出来，全自动的，把它拨开。This machine is for my client. It's ready to ship, and I just take the running video. You see, when you run this machine, you need a vacuum pump, and this is used controlled by the Siemens touch screen, and this is auto to kick the capsule out. This filling powder in this part, and you know, all of the mold in this factory are made by themselves. You see the 2, 3, 4, and all of the back is they use that for themselves and make it by themselves. That means all of the spare parts is standard. You can change every spare part very easily. Is you know, maybe you want to fill the 00 size the capsule, or you can fill the number 5 or number 4. You can do that very easily because you can change it all the standard, and you can change it very easily. You see, I got 20 capsule, yeah, spare parts for my clients. It's so beautiful inside. You see, so beautiful. And it's not heavy. It's not heavy. It's the aluminum. It's made by the aluminum one, and stable, very stable. You do this kind of machine for a long time. So, see you then.